We are to solve this equation here, and we have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation here. Now, the first step to apply here, since we have a common base of 3 here, then as such, we are going to express each term here in this equation to base 3. And we are going to have here 3 multiplied by 9 to base 3 will give us 3 to the power of 2. Then multiply it by already existing power of 1 plus x equals 27 to the base of 3. That will give us 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by already existing power of minus x. Now, at the left hand side of the equation, from indices, when the bases are the same, and in multiplication, we add up the powers. Note that this has a power of 1. When as such, this is multiplication, we are going to pick one of the bases and add up the powers. And we have 3 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 1 plus x equals 3. Here we multiply out these powers. 3 times minus x, that will give us minus 3x. And we are going to simplify this further by clearing out these brackets. Now we are going to multiply each term inside the bracket by 2. And we have 3 to the power of 1 plus 2 times 1, that gives us 2. 2 times plus x, that gives us plus 2x equals 3 to the power of negative 3. Now we simplify this further by combining like term here. Here we have 1 plus 2, that will give us 3, and we have 3 to the power of 3 plus 2x equals 3 to the power of negative 3x. Since the bases are the same here, we are going to equate the powers, and the equation becomes 3 plus 2x equals minus 3x. Now, at this point, we are going to collect like terms. And we are going to have here 3 equals minus 3x. If we move plus 2x down here, it becomes minus 2x. Then we have 3 equals minus 3x minus 2x. That will give us minus 5x. Then to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by negative 5. Then we have here divided by negative 5, here divided by negative 5. Then negative 5 will eliminate negative 5. And this is the same thing as x equals 3 divided by negative 5, and we have minus 3 over 5. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this equation here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.